What's up, everyone? Me and my boyfriend are rebuilding my four-wheeler. Little 80cc Yamaha Grizzly. I've had since I was 7 years old. It would crank but no start and sounded like it didn't have compression, so we checked spark. It had spark, and we put a compression tester on there and found that it has no compression. So we started disassembling it. Took the carb off. Made it to the head. Flipped it over. And we found this stuck in the exhaust port, leaving it open. Further inspecting, check the jug, make sure it wasn't damaged. Looks fine. Came over here. Piston has got like a little tiny mark on it, but I think the piston would survive, but we're gonna get a new one anyway. So where'd that screw come from is the question. Come over here. Up. The flap. The choke flap. Fell down into the cylinder and got stuck in the exhaust port when it tried to go out. So, gonna get new stuff. Keep an eye out for the video putting it back together.